So welcome to the Bev Inc. Social Media Workshop. Who's here because they know absolutely nothing about retailing online? Fantastic, okay. Who's here because they want to improve their skills and be able to teach it to their teams? Put your hands up. Brilliant, fantastic. Okay, so we're all here for the right reasons. My name's Kevin Ryder. I've been in Clean Easy. This is my 16th year now working in Clean Easy. There's some new faces and old faces that I've seen before, and people that I know and people I don't know. And it's amazing to see the diversity of people in the business now. So why did I join? Well, initially I was working full-time as a driving instructor. I was struggling financially. I was £30,000 in debt, but I didn't know it at the time because, like a lot of people, I used to bury my head under the bills as they came in and pretend they weren't there. And my brother found a business card. It were actually stuck to his shoe while walking around IKEA, walking back to his car in the car park, and this business card stuck to his shoe, and he's there trying to flick it off, and he picks it up, and he said, earn extra income working from home, £200 to £2,000 a month in your spare time. And straight away he thought of me, and he thought, my brother's skin, I'll give him the card. So he gave me the card. I looked at it, and the first thing I did was throw it in the bin, because I thought, who on earth is going to pay you £200 to £2,000 a month working part-time from home? My brother saw the card in the bin. The following day he said, did you ring the number? I said, no, come on Phil, it's a scam, it's a con. He says, how do you know if you've never rung up? And that was the best advice my brother ever gave me. Got my income up. In my first month it was £233. Within my first 18 months I'd got my income up to £1,200 a month. And then today, my best check today, or our best check today, sorry, is for £3,600 for the 4-week period. Would like that as a second income. Okay, I know there's people earn more than that, but that is life-changing money for a lot of people. Anyway, then along came online selling. Along came this Facebook, this idea of retailing through Facebook and stuff like that, and that absolutely derailed me in the business. I'll be absolutely honest. Our cataloguer born and bred. Any other cataloguers born and bred in here? Absolutely, it's what we knew, it's what we did, and then along came this social media thing, and I just could not get my head around it. The vehicle had changed, the business had changed, everything had changed, and like a lot of people, you know, change sometimes comes difficult, and if we don't change with it, then we get left behind. And I struggled for 12-18 months. I struggled with social media. I couldn't get my head around it. I didn't understand it. I was still doing catalogues, and I still do catalogues today, don't get me wrong. I am not knocking catalogues, and if you do catalogues, they are absolutely fantastic. Alright, I absolutely believe in them. They work a treat. However, so does online, and I know for a fact that no matter how successful catalogues are in this country, they are not going to take us into other countries, whereas online and social media will. And that's how Clean Easy becomes a global business. And I believe that because everybody uses the internet. So I was very fortunate that I met Becky, and Becky's an absolute online guru. She was doing absolutely fantastic. I didn't even know what a selfie was till I met Becky, and now I am a selfie.
Now he's an expert.
I am a selfie. I mean, every bloody photograph going, you know, but at the end of the day...
You take photographs.
No, my arms aren't long enough. But at the end of the day, what Becky has done, I mean, she got to gold in her own right, purely online, selling products through social media. She knows all about extending your Facebook reach and everything else. And with my coaching and training skills and Becky's Facebook and training skills, we've put together these social media workshops because we love this business with a passion. We love Clean Easy with a passion. And it's not about us, it's about you guys being successful. And if you guys are successful, then the company's successful. And if the company's successful, more people want to join it. Okay, so we put together the social media workshops and the Bev Inc. system. Now what we want to put across there, I've just said the Bev Inc. system. Don't get confused, alright? Network marketing throughout whatever company you join is network marketing. Alright? If you drive a car, it doesn't matter what car you drive, there's still, if you drive a manual car, there's 3 pedals, a gear stick, and it goes forwards and backwards, and the principles are the same. Each one of you can drive anybody's car in this room, agreed? It doesn't matter what model they drive. In network marketing, it doesn't matter what company you join, it's just a different vehicle, but the principles are exactly the same. This workshop is not about the principles or the fundamentals of network marketing. I do a workshop for that, and there'll be mention of that at the end if anyone's interested in that. This is purely about social media, how to sell using Facebook and social media, and how to recruit using Facebook and social media. It's nothing to do with the actual steps of building a network marketing business. We're not changing the system in any way, we're not doing any of that, and I think that's what some people think we're doing, and we're not. The system is the system. Okay, it don't matter what car you drive, the fundamentals are exactly the same. All we're doing is showing you how to get orders online and how to find prospects online. We are not teaching you how to support and recruit, how to build those people up and how to be a leader. That's not what this is about. Does that make sense to everybody, yes or no? That's fantastic. Okay, so let's crack on. What we're going to cover today then is introduction to social media.